At Jeff's furniture company, business is booming. But he's got more and more serious issues popping up in his operations. Good thing he's got a place to sit down and think. When customers call with complaints, Jeff doesn't have batch or serial numbers for what each customer purchased. He can't track what components and materials went into his products and created stressful issues for customers. This also makes it hard to swap things when there's a stockout. As he tries to find efficiencies, sources of waste are a total mystery. He knows what's going in and what's coming out, but what's happening to 15% of his wood along the way? There are other things on his mind. He'd love to have fingertip visibility and control from the shop floor on a tablet. Also, if he could bring in a partner to outsource some processes, that could save quite a bit on costs. And in the future, he really wants to let customers customize furniture. But that's just a pipe dream right now. Unless he gets working with Cin7 Core. Cin7 Core makes it possible to track every part and product throughout the manufacturing process, from the moment when raw materials enter the factory to the moment when final products are shipped. This would let Jeff take quality control to a whole new level. The scheduler gives him unprecedented ability to see how orders are moving through production. He can prioritize orders and hit deadlines far more smoothly, with transparency that helps everyone stay on the same page. It's drag and drop. It really couldn't be simpler. Over in parts, Jeff notices he's just at the right amount of the right stock. And everything is easy to find with Tap on his tablet. He notifies sales that walnut chairs will be produced today, exactly to the customer's requirements. No production delays here. With everything moving along, Jeff is ready to tackle the waste monster. He starts with Cin7 Core's tools for identification and measurement of the cost of production residuals. Armed with this info, he can sit with managers and finally zero in on centers of waste. The production manager finally gets a good handle on daily task lists and assignments too. Everything is laid out for each day, along with the order of operations. Cin7 Core's manufacturing mobile application has this information available to the team on the go, making it possible to check off tasks as they're completed. Jeff's longtime buddy Dave is in packaging and has always been telling Jeff his packaging operation is a mess. Working from Cin7 Core, Jeff can finally offload the whole thing to Dave's capable hands at a lower cost than he could ever achieve with total trackability. And amazingly, Jeff can finally upgrade his web offering, letting his customers customize styles, fabrics, and materials for every order. Everybody is getting exactly what they want, which is perfect, because so is Jeff and his team. It's a new day in manufacturing thanks to Cin7 Core. Okay, Jeff, break's over. Let's get cracking. Contact us today to learn more.